Hi, this is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead, and today I want to make for you cinnamon oil. Now I want to read to you, I'll never remember all the benefits of cinnamon oil. It dilates blood vessels, decreases inflammation, fights viruses, relieves depression, stimulates libido, who doesn't need that, enhances nitric oxide function, increases circulation, fights free radicals, stimulates the immune system, and fights parasites, and it can be used as a breath freshener. Now, grapeseed oil is recommended for this. It is better at a high heat temperature. I just went to a local big box store, Blue's the one, and bought these. And you are to fill the jar up as much as possible with your cinnamon sticks. They're not any kind of special cinnamon sticks. They're just great value. And then, whoa. Then you pour grapeseed oil until it is over the top, till it is just over the top. You put the lid on it. Then you need to put it in a saucepan, and I'm going to put some water in it. It has to boil for an hour. So all you need is just a little bit of water, and I would not turn it above 3 or on low, and just let it boil for an hour. Okay, so this started boiling at about 5 o'clock. It is now 6:06. I'm going to turn it off and just let it cool down naturally. When it finally gets nice and cool, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let it sit there for several days, maybe a week, and let it infuse more. And after that period of time, I'll bring you back and I will show you. I'm going to put it in some bottles like these for our uses. I didn't tell you earlier, it's really good for cracked heels, it's good for bad breath, it's good for skin problems. It has just an awful lot of uses. Hello everyone. I wanted to come back and talk to you about the finished product of the cinnamon oil. It actually sealed. It sealed when I was doing it, so if you use this kind of jar, then you don't have to worry about putting it in the refrigerator until after you open it. If you use some other kind of a jar, when you're done boiling it, you'll have to put it in the refrigerator if it doesn't seal. But this is shelf stable as it's sealed. And I've got these 2 little bottles. When I let it infuse and I'm ready to fill these and several more, because it'll do quite a bit, then at that point you'll have to refrigerate it because it won't be sealed anymore. Oils you will have to refrigerate. If it's a tincture with vodka, you don't have to worry about it. If it's got vodka or vinegar in it, it's not an issue, but cinnamon oil will have to be refrigerated. I wanted to talk to you about some of the benefits of cinnamon oil. It's a natural lip plumper. It gets rid of cellulite. It will heal your cracked heels. There's just so many things, and we're going to include all these recipes in our book that we're going to come out with sometime in the near future. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me today. Have a lovely evening. Thank you for joining Amen Acres Homestead.